What's good, people? My name's CJ Soup. I'm going to be making some YouTube videos going over my current accounts with my trading. I just want to be logging my trading journey so far, giving y'all kind of an experience from someone that's a year into trading, roughly where I am, what to expect, the psychological issues that I still go through, and just overall my progression as a trader. So currently I have a 300k funded account with Apex. I also am starting to dabble in Forex. So I got just the smallest account that I could with TFT, because I don't know if anyone else has noticed, but the indices right now are kind of booty cheeks. I can't even lie to you, bro. They're kind of booty cheeks right now. Whereas like Forex, nice, clean, smooth price swings, right? A little background on me. I live in Australia. So I trade during the day, which is Asia London session for Forex, and then at night starting at 9:30, because I'm exactly 12 hours ahead of Eastern Standard Time. That's when the indices markets open, and that's when I start trading indices, primarily NQ, and sometimes I take a trade on ES, but I just use ES to help with confluence for NQ, which I'm sure you'll see from my strategy later on. So currently I'm 1 year into trading. It was my birthday yesterday, and I just consider that I started trading on my 25th birthday, and I just turned 26 yesterday. So I got 1 year experience. I've gotten a couple funded accounts. I've blown a couple funded accounts. I've blown a lot of evals in the beginning. A lot of fucking prop challenges I've failed, as everyone has when they start out trading. That's just how it goes. Fucking bugging here, bro. So I won't waste too much time. So this channel, I'm going to be tracking my 300k Apex funded account with indices, and I'll also be tracking and logging on YouTube my 5k TFT account for Forex. So today is currently Sunday. Markets are going to be opening tomorrow, and I'm going to just start tracking like kind of how it's going. So here you can see my 300k funded account with Apex. I also have a 50k account as well, which I've traded a little bit and in a little bit of drawdown, but 300k is fresh. Here you can see my 5k TFT challenge for Forex. So yeah, bro, those are my two accounts. I'm gonna be logging here on YouTube. Most of the rest of the video will be from tomorrow, any trades that I take, kind of my thought process, this and that. Right now, I will show y'all one trade that I am looking at right now to trade tomorrow on Monday. It is on gold. So I'm not going to be going through my strategy per se just yet. I'll show y'all kind of how I trade a bit later on, but this is the trade that I'm looking at. I'm looking at a long on gold after taking this higher time frame liquidity below in an overall bullish market. We have already had some of the move, but this move occurred when I was sleeping right at the end of market on Friday. We have already started going. I'm looking for a pullback during Monday Asia session to hopefully catch a long to then ride it throughout London. So we'll see how that goes. If I don't get the pullback, I'll miss the trade. If we also start disrespecting bullish PD arrays during Asia session, which I'll be monitoring, I'll also not be taking a trade. So that's the only trade that I'm looking at so far as of right now. This will be for the Forex account. When it comes to NQ and ES, I'm a bit mixed on what I'm expecting. Right now, we're heading a bit lower after having a Thursday cap of the week, but we will monitor this. I want to see what Asia and London session do throughout Monday to then kind of decide what trade I'll be taking in the AM New York session. But we also don't have news on this day, so possibly might just be a day that I trade my eval, and maybe Tuesday we can start bringing the funded account out, make some actual money, you get me? So yeah, that's where we're at for right now. I'll catch up with y'all tomorrow. Any trades that I take, this and that, I'll be logging. If I take any L's, I'll also be logging. So yeah, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Wanted to show y'all just before the trading week actually starts, the work that I'll be putting in behind the scenes to prepare myself for the actual trading week, as well as just getting my knowledge up in general, seeing all the little intricacies of my model, this and that, because you need to look through as much price action history as possible when it comes to your model. You have one specific model that you trade, but you need to see it work and not work in every situation that you can from the charts, bro. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I've been doing just this weekend alone. I made a whole Notion just this weekend alone, right? Because it's kind of a variation of my model, if you kind of get me. So this is from just this weekend alone, bro. Just this weekend alone. You can't expect anything that's worth having just to occur in a couple months. Watch a couple YouTube videos like, yeah, that works, that dude's doing it, I'm gonna just do it too, and let's go, we gonna be good to go. Nah, bro, it's the psychological side of trading that is the fucking hard part, bro. The technicals ain't nothing, bro. It's when you're in a trade, you're up like 2R, you're like, damn, like I should probably partial, like maybe I should close, like this could turn around on me type shit. It's those moments. That's where an experienced trader thrives in. Whereas someone that, even me, like a year in, this and that, like I be having issues with that shit still. I can't lie, like since I started Forex just this week, I'm only doing swing trades on Forex. I'm only executing on trades on the like hourly, 4-hour key levels. So it forces me to have to actually hold trades, and it's actually doing better for me for the futures side of things, because on futures I trade like the 1 minute, 2 minute time frame. Obviously going off of a trade idea setup that's based off of like the 15, 30 minute hourly, but execute on the 1 minute. It's those psychological issues which is like what makes you a good trader. And bruh, that shit does not come quick, bro. That will come after a couple years, man. But something that's helped me lately, just giving some value, like you just gotta keep telling yourself, like trading's the only thing that you got going on right now. Like obviously you want to be looking into other business ventures, this and that, but like finish what you started, bro. Become the profitable trader that you want to be, and just have the idea that you have nothing to lose, bro. Maybe some money here and there you gotta spend on challenges, this and that. Look, bro, like trading isn't just about the money, bro. Becoming a good trader also makes you become the best version of yourself, bro. Teaches you to be patient, teaches you to have discipline, teaches you to stay by your word. It makes you a better human in any situation. So that's another pursuit of trading that you want to have in your mind, and know that you have nothing to lose, only all this to gain. Because you'll just become the best version of yourself that you can. Whether you quit trading down the line, this and that, whatever, like you will become a better person after the pursuit of becoming a profitable trader. You get me?
Good morning, guys. Currently Monday, 30th of September, 9:30 a.m. Perth time, which would be 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the trade on gold, exactly what I was expecting to happen did happen, though Asia session just rallied, bro. Exactly what I was expecting to happen. Wasn't much of a pullback. It just blasted to the first few targets that I would have had if I was at the charts and I was actually awake and was able to take it. Okay, guys, so this is gold right here. So as you can see, my analysis that I had yesterday did play out exactly as expected. The only thing is that Asia session did not pull back. It just immediately went to targets. So, a bit unfortunate because it was while I was sleeping, can't do much about that. At this point, gold is reacting off of a premium PD array up here. So bit lower probability to be entering any longs while we're just in the middle of this range right here. So I'll continue to monitor it. We'll see if we can start respecting these PD arrays in here on the intermediate time frames. See if we can get some soups happening and then possibly an entry, but as of right now, not too keen. This is what gold was looking like yesterday. All the way down here, hadn't reached 50% yet, hadn't reached premium PD arrays. So we didn't get much of a pullback during Asia. Just decided to go straight to target. So, W analysis, but, we'll catch the next one. Yeah, guys, so I actually ended up taking a sell on gold, basing it off of the 5-minute SIBI continuation play. After analyzing the 2-hour order block high and then the lower time frame model 1, I do expect us to hit 50% of this range. Went in a bit lower risk, so we're just gonna see how we go. Got in right here based on the 5-minute SIBI. First target will be the 50% of this range, and then hopefully to take price down to some of these discount PD arrays with a final terminus of below here. So keep y'all updated, see how we go. So we are starting to push down in a very slight profit right now. Look, sometimes I like to just see, you know, if we initially start going in profit, like, we cannot be sitting back and saying, oh, it's a bad trade, this and that. Like, you guys just gotta stick to the trade idea and commit to it. So we'll see how the trade goes. This is definitely a trade that will be getting some partials. So currently up around 20 bucks. Wants to focus. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Yes, guys. So actually starting to fly down now into some decent amount of profit. I'm currently at break even with partials taken. As you can see, we are flying down here, and that's the first alert. I'm gonna be taking another little bit of partial there. Very nice trade so far, guys. So took off about 73% because I am seeing a model against me right now. And whenever you see a model against you, you do want to be acting accordingly, right? Flying down now, guys. So yeah, currently still up about 20 bucks. And that's after taking 75% off. So up about 50 bucks so far on the account, which is a 1-to-1 risk, and this thing is going, bruv. What a move, man. It's crazy, guys. I've literally been up for like what? I've been up for like less than half an hour. We're already sinking some trades, bro. First thing on a Monday. Just crazy right now. So yeah, I've gotten a decent return on this trade. Gonna be partialing another one here. So yeah, looking real good, guys. I'm gonna be trailing stop in the profit. Where can we go in profit? I don't know. Oh man. Yeah, 'cause right now we're at break even, but I'm gonna move it down to the top of a 5-minute CB. I mean, shit, I don't even know where. I'm expecting down here possibly we could want to start retracing this and that. Blew right through the 2-hour order block that I had. That's what I mean. Like, when it comes to trading, bro, like, you have to adjust. You have to adjust. So the original plan that I had already played out, and then after the analysis of where we are currently on gold, I was like, this thing drop, try and take out the daily low of Friday again. So okay, guys, so the rest of the position taken out, $65 from that. Did go in a little bit lower size because did get in a bit at the end of the move, but you know, still W either way. Just woke up, made a nice 1.2% on the account straight off the bat. So, you know, real nice there. As you can see, trailed stop loss to a about halfway point 1-minute PD array and taking out BE. But we did catch majority of the move, so can't be mad at that. We were up at the max of a 5.5 RR at one point. I'd already taken partials by that point. Yeah, W trade. I'll continue to monitor gold and GU. I'm not gonna be looking at NQ and futures and shit until a little bit later on. So yeah, for right now, yeah, just gonna be chilling. Gonna have some breakfast and shit. Finish my coffee and that. You get me? And I'll catch up with y'all a little bit later. Yes, guys, this is the end of the video. Just got done with New York session. I took 2 trades on NQ and I also took 1 trade on gold for my Forex account. Like I said before, I did have my eval out today for futures because I honestly should have had the 300K out because I even knew with Powell speaking in the PM that the first hour, 2 hours of session should be kind of decent, and then it will start going all shitty. So now, guys, I can say right now, psychological issues did come into play today, even on the eval. We came up at 9:30 open into a 30-minute order block that I was looking at in an overall bearish market. Soup this high, leaving an S&T into a 30-minute order block here. And then I was just waiting for the confirmation, which for NQ would be a S&T with ES, which we got that right here. And then I didn't want to sit in the failure swing, but it is expected to have a little come up and retest of that level without taking out the high. So I like to take the first 1-minute order block, 1-minute BISI SIBI to then go. So I saw this get tapped, saw a little reaction and moved down pretty quick. And I entered about here, stop at the high here. And yes, guys, I got out about here. As soon as this 1-minute BISI was inversed, I got out. For the rest of the move, just to go ahead. So that's one of the issues that I have.
So no FOMO, but I was thinking, all right, I'm gonna actually re-enter because this is looking good. I re-entered again on this 1 minute Sibby here. As soon as we came up again, as soon as we disrespected this 1 minute order block, I got out again. Now, I think this is just me not realizing that price has to make structure in order to move. Like, it has to pull back. Like, in order to make fair value for the market, it has to pull back. It has to give people opportunities to get in or get stopped. That's the whole point of the markets. It's hunting liquidity. So it needs to pull back. It needs to do things in order to actually give the move. When it comes to gold, it was right after the NQ trade. I came and looked here. I saw a rejection on a 10-minute order block, I believe, something. Or was it the 5? I think I saw this here on the 3-minute. We're inside a 30-minute Sibby here. Then got to tap into it here. Soup, close back inside. Initial move down. Came back up into a 5-minute order block, or made a 5-minute order block here. I saw that we closed down below it. We came back, tapped the order block here. I entered there, took it down. I took it down to here. I partialed out the most, and then once we came here and I saw a little 1-minute reaction off of that, I just got out. As soon as I started seeing like a big kind of engulfing candle, whatever you call it, I got out. So yeah, on the Forex account today, 150 bucks from, I think it was 5,000, like $12. So up about 33% of the way to completing phase 1. I did play around with a couple trades earlier as well. Most of them were break evens. So yeah, that's how the trading day went today. Not too bad for a Monday, bro. I can't lie. Tomorrow, the 300K funded account on futures is coming out, bro. We are ready to make some fucking money, bruv. You get me? So that's finna be coming out, so that should be all right. Obviously gonna be a lot more patient sizing wise, because sometimes I like to take 2-3 trades in like the same session. So I'll probably be going a little bit lower risk. I get about 7,500 drawdown, and I think I'll be going in with maybe around 15 micros, so about a mini and a half. If I get a sniper entry 2 or 20 micros, I like to be able to partial. And yeah, man, should be a pretty decent day tomorrow. We do have Red Folder News at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I believe. So yeah, we should get a pretty clear manipulation tomorrow in New York AM session. This trading's all about the opportunity. If you don't take the risk, you might miss the chance, right? So you see a trade, you can't be fearful, can't have anxiety. Get in, stick to your plan. Until tomorrow, gang, I'm gonna leave y'all there. I'm gonna try and come out with videos like every day, every other day type deal. Because I'm going to be trying to make videos like every day, maybe upload every day, every other day. I like making the videos because it keeps me accountable of my trading. It shows y'all kind of the inner thoughts of a coming up trader, at least. Maybe if you're like very new to the game, or even if you're late in the game and like you're like, all right, I wonder how all these new people doing this shit, right? It's holding me accountable, but you know, if anyone gets value from this, you know, I'm always going to be trying to spit gems, this and that. I will be showing my strategy eventually, and I'm biased as shit, but my strategy is the best, bruv. It's the strategy. So we'll go over that a little bit later. You saw little glimpses of like kind of what I've been looking at, this and that, to take a trade. So yeah, man, I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. So until then, peace out.